Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Interior Ministry notifies Eid holidays from 10th May to 15th. The notification for the Eid holidays was issued based on the recommendations of the National Command and Operations Center and with the approval of Prime Minister Imran Khan. Pakistan to receive 1.2 million COVID-19 jabs under COVAX this week. Pakistan will start getting the batches of coronavirus vaccines from COVID-19 Vaccines Global Access from this week. Saudi Arabia to open land, sea, air borders as of 17th May. Saudi citizens who have received 2 vaccination shots and 1 shot at least 2 weeks prior to travel, those who have recovered from coronavirus within the last 6 months, and those who are under 18 years old will be allowed to travel, the ministry said. India COVID cases soar as oxygen vaccine shortages continue. Hospitals in India continue to send distress messages for emergency oxygen supplies, and a top vaccine maker warned a vaccine shortfall could last for several months as the country's coronavirus case count approached 20 million. Myanmar parcel bomb blasts killed 5 including ousted lawmaker. Blasts from at least 1 parcel bomb in Myanmar have killed 5 people including an ousted lawmaker and 3 police officers who had joined a civil disobedience movement opposing military rule. Biden to start reunifying migrant families separated by Trump-era border policy. The United States this week will reunite 4 migrant families separated at the US-Mexico border during the Trump administration. US officials said a small step toward fulfilling a campaign promise by President Joe Biden. We are all the same. Barcelona Church opens doors to Ramzan dinners. With COVID-19 restrictions preventing Barcelona's Islamic population from celebrating Ramzan at the usual indoor venues, a Catholic church has offered up its open-air cloisters for Muslims to eat and pray together. Canada's high-risk populations face COVID-19 vaccine barriers. As Canada's vaccination campaign ramps up, people at high risk of transmitting COVID-19 often lack the resources to navigate labyrinthine booking systems or the documentation that would ease their path to inoculation. Australia sees remote chance of jail for India travel ban offenders. Australia Prime Minister Scott Morrison on Tuesday said it was highly unlikely travels from COVID-ravaged India would face the maximum penalties of 5 years jail and a fine for breaking border rules as he faces pressure to overturn them. So this is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.